At another place in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna narrated this sloka in Sanskrit, and I shall differentiate the complex combined Sanskrit words into my diary. I shall take you to my diary, and I shall recite these complex Sanskrit words into simple Hindi words for you to understand. I am now in text 31 of chapter 2. Swadharmam api chaha avekshya navikampitum arhasi dharmat hi yuddhat shreyaha anyah kshatriyasya na vidyate. While reciting, I have recited in simple words, but I shall differentiate and diffuse these complex Sanskrit words into simple Hindi words in my diary. Swadharmam api chaha avekshya navikampitum arhasi dharmat hi yuddhat shreyaha anyat kshatriyasya na vidyate. Om. The narration goes as follows. Considering your specific duty as a Kshatriya in the parliament, you should know that there is no better engagement for you than fighting on dharmic principles to uphold the value of Indian Constitution. There is no need for hesitation also. Kshatriyasya na vidyate. There is no need for you to behave otherwise than the Kshatriya. In the parliament, parliament is a place where you should uphold the value of Indian Constitution. You should snub the narcissism. You should snub the influence peddling. You should snub and you should eradicate the bad effects of the Constitution. Om Swadharmam api chaha avekshya navikampitum arhasi dharmat hi yuddhat shreyaha anyat kshatriyasya na vidyate. Please push me to the arena of the presidency in India in the year 2022. I promise you as a Salian, I promise you as a Kshatriyan to uphold the value of the Constitution, to uphold the value of the Indian tradition. In my way to uphold the value of the Constitution, I shall destroy the evil forces that is preventing India for the past 75 years. Om. So help me God in Bhagavad Gita, and so help me God in Quran, so help me God in the Bible. Om. This is Pachari Yoga International Trust coming to you in Arjuna's way, following the footsteps of Krishna, following the footsteps of Quran, following the footsteps of the Bible. However, question time in the parliament, and Learned Rahul Gandhi is a very senior member and is expected to become the Prime Minister after the next election. He is expected to sweep the election, but it is very unfortunate that he is not proposing the question. He is not asking the question. He is not placing the question before the August House of the Parliament. And this may also turn out to be the bad symptom in Congress. Therefore, I request Mr. Rahul Gandhi to draft a question on the Lakhimpur incident. Please do this. At Pachari Yoga International Trust, I take this opportunity to propagate the narrations of Bhagavad Gita to every citizen, including the members of the state assemblies, members of the parliament, members of the political parties, and the great leaders, Mr. Modi ji, Mr. Sonia ji, Madam Mamta ji, Kejriwal ji, and state chief ministers, Mr. Stalin, the Karnataka chief minister, and Mr. Y.S.R. Reddy, and the opposition leader, Mr. Naidu. I take this opportunity to propagate Bhagavad Gita to the President of India and to the Vice President of India, with a view to consider my appointment as the next president. I shall endeavor to destroy the evil forces that is haunting the parliament, that is haunting the execution of river schemes, National Riverways Authority. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you and thank you. Please visit again, my dear friend. Please visit again.